think being a penguin is all sliding on ice and cute waddles? Think again. From dodging predators to surviving freezing waters, these little tuxedoed warriors have a life more intense than any action movie. Stick around to find out why their life isn't all chill, literally. Congratulations, you've grown your waterproof feathers and now it's time to hit the water. But the ocean isn't your friendly neighborhood pool. It's a cold, dark, predator-filled battleground. Now let's talk about food. Your favorite meal? Krill. But they're not exactly lining up for you. As if that wasn't tough enough, it's migration season. You're waddling miles across icy wastelands to reach your breeding grounds. Finally, you make it back to the colony. But raising a chick isn't a walk in the park. Let's address the iconic waddle. Sure, it looks adorable, but it's actually a super energy-efficient way to move on land. Despite all this, penguins have adapted to survive in one of the harshest climates on Earth. Think you could handle a day in a penguin's life? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to dive deeper into the wild world of nature's coolest creatures, hit that like button and subscribe to join the colony.